Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It is November 9th. We do have a USDA report later, out a little bit later this morning, expecting to see a little bit of changes, yield changes for corn and beans, expecting to see maybe a little bit or an increase as far as yield for corn and a slight decrease for beans, but keeping carryout numbers absolutely massive for corn, 2.366. And then for beans, a slight reduction. Last month, we were at 430 million carryout. Expectations for this report is 420. So slight reduction out of that. So we'll see what kind of numbers we get out a little later on. We do have the markets up slightly overnight. Corn up a little, beans and wheat. But we'll see how much that carries through. Expect to see some choppy trade ahead of the report. Now, we did have exports out this morning as well. Pretty strong exports for corn. Came in at 2.934 million metric tons. The higher end of the expectation was 2.3 million metric tons, so quite a bit higher than that. And for beans, though, maybe a little bit disappointing. 1.2 million metric tons is the number that was announced. They were looking for 1.3 to 1.85, so a little lower than that lower end. But for wheat, a little better than expected there as well, 782,000, and that was higher than the upper end of the range that they were looking for. So for corn and wheat, certainly better. And then for beans, maybe a little bit disappointing, but that'll all be masked at 11 o'clock. All eyes will be on the main event, which is this report at 11 o'clock today. So some of the outside markets, some of the other influence that we have right now. Stock market, the Dow down sharply, giving back some of the gains that we've seen coming off of their record highs from yesterday. And then we've got the dollar back and forth yet of unchanged. Crude oil trying to work its way up a little bit after seeing some red here yesterday too. So give us a call. We're here to help you out. We'll get you these numbers as soon as we can once they're released at 11 o'clock for the grains. And we'll see what that does here today. But keep us in mind, 800-262-7538. Or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.